Now we just got ChatGPT-4. Now what's going to happen when the next and next and next iterations come out? And so what a lot of technologists believe is that with this new iteration of GPT-5, which should be coming out in December or early of next year, January, it's going to be extremely close to AGI, artificial general intelligence. And that's not AI. That's when AI has turned sentient. And it's causing so much uproar that this past week, Elon Musk has sent out an open letter urging all AI labs to pump the brakes. He wants everybody to stop for 6 months so we can study what's happening and study what's going on. It will probably be AGI. It will pass the Turing test, and you will not be able to tell the difference between talking to ChatGPT or talking to a CEO at a business meeting. So the same company, OpenAI, that created ChatGPT, just invested $23.5 million into a human robotics company to create basically humanoid robots. So if OpenAI, who is the creator of ChatGPT, is going to have AGI qualified technology, they can integrate that into the humanoid robots. More and more people are coming to the realization that AGI we thought was going to be 10 years in the future. It's knocking on our doors. We could see something possibly the beginning of next year. And so it's all happening right now. There's another company called Agility Robotics that is already taking orders to distribute humanoid